Cooking. Cooking.
What is up, guys? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
And we are Cars and Cameras, and we just finished this 420 Stage 2 street legal golf cart not too long ago, and I actually just picked up another golf cart not too long ago. It's a Melix. What year is it?
I don't know. 99.
99 model. Melix. And this one is all electric. It's bone stock. I paid about $450 for it, and he had to put $700 worth of batteries in it. So $1,200 in total, but for like a running electric golf cart that's in like good shape is really not bad. Like, you can spend over 10 grand on a golf cart these days. But anyway, we figured we would compare an electric golf cart to our 420 Stage 2 golf cart with parts from GoPowersports.com. We have an aftermarket camshaft, a billet rod, a billet flywheel, a carburetor jet, an air filter, and our own custom muffler.
Valve springs.
Oh, and of course, dual valve springs. This thing makes a lot of power, and it makes this huge golf cart really quick and nimble. If you're putting a 420 engine on a golf cart, I highly recommend the Stage 2 kit with a 40 series torque converter from GoPowersports.com. Totally transforms it. This thing is a performer like you're gonna see in this video. But first, we have to make some repairs, because last time we took this thing out on the road, it vibrated the muffler off.
I mean, we got some miles out of it.
Yeah, we got like 4 miles out of it.
Yeah.
We're using some gussets from Go Power Sports just to help brace up the muffler. They really come in handy if you do any welding. Pick some up with your next order. Think that'll get us another 4 miles?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Didn't quite weld it up the whole way underneath, but next time we take the exhaust off, we can do it.
Hit it then? Cool. So, like, you just put new batteries in this thing,
I did.
right? Okay, so it'll perform like a brand new golf cart, even though it's 20 plus years old.
It should.
How many pounds of batteries are you working with right here?
Dude, I'm gonna say 300 pounds.
Wow. So already
Or
the
more.
420 has the weight advantage.
Yes, it does. This thing's pretty heavy.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
I'm assuming that those batteries are about 50 pounds a piece.
Yeah.
Might be a little bit more.
So, drag race first?
Sure.
So we're gonna start it out with a drag race, right?
That's right.
I'm on the yellow one, then we're gonna do a hill climb, because this thing is pretty torquey, even though it's slow. And then, I mean, we're just gonna check top speed, and then see what else we can get into from there. I'll give you the brake. Yeah. Alright, well, 1-0, but I think I broke the golf cart.
What did we lose?
You broke a chain?
Half link is gone, and it's really hot, so I'm gonna put it over there. So it's into half link.
The next race, I say...
I think I won that, by the way.
Okay,
Definitely.
well, the next race, let's go off-roading right now. Here we go.
Oh, I can probably run next to you. So, that's not all is that everything? Dude, give it the beans, come on.
That's beans. Yeah, but the thing is, how long can you go? Dude,
Thanks for the ride, dude.
I gotta say, I really like the silence.
You know, yeah, and the reverse is nice, but I mean horsepower, you know? It just depends on what you favor more at the end of the day.
Yep. I gotta say, man, I think Leatherman ought to sponsor us. All right, dude.
Good to go?
Yeah, I believe so.
Thanks, buddy. So what did you have in mind?
Okay. Another drag race.
Another drag race.
I want a second chance.
You want a second chance?
But I'm gonna go off-roading.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
The race is from here Right there at that hydrant you're at.
Yeah.
This is gonna be good.
Okay.
All the way to the bend in the road
Okay.
and back here at the hydrant. Starting now.
Oh no.
Probably didn't turn the ignition on. And I hear, oh no, I hear it. I hear him.
Oh yeah, we're reeling this guy.
That's good. I win.
What's up, dude?
You lost.
Why?
Because the seatbelt was flapping in the wind.
Oh, that's a technicality, dude.
Ooh.
What? Oh, look at that. Whew, that could have been real bad.
That could have been real bad. Alright, so fine. You won that one.
A little bit. Yeah.
Alright. Hill climb.
That was good. I'm down for a hill climb.
Alright, I see. I already see I'm the winner right now. Because I don't have to get out of the golf cart every time to crank it up.
Choke. No choke.
Look at that guy.
I just had to make sure my pull cord had plenty of strength left, you know? That's all. What you got?
Well, go.
Too much horsepower. Oh, I can do it. I just need to be very, very slow about it.
See if I can lap.
There it is. Come on. Oh, hey-oh. Oh, it's back to lap. Yeah. That does creep pretty good,
Yeah.
but it's only because you don't have any power. What else you got? Oh man, I need to put my seatbelt on. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I forgot about that, man.
Alright,
What you got?
another drag race.
Another drag race?
Yeah. Hey, Mark.
Where are we going? How far?
Not far. Hey, Mark. You set, go.
Reverse? Yeah. That tricky burger.
The one and only thing I'm going to beat him at.
Well played.
Alright, dude.
That was well played.
Thank you. Man, I don't think I can beat it at anything else. Is there anything you can think of that I could outperform that one
Yeah.
somehow?
We do a circuit race real quick.
A circuit race.
I think we can do a circuit race.
Starting now?
Not the Cars and Cameras Grand Prix because it's two-way. But something out here, like just with this little loop right here. All right, so we have come up with a quick time trial race, trying to stack the cards all in the favor of the electric golf cart. It's going to be a hill climb. It's going to be all off-road where this doesn't have traction. And it's also just not going to be that far. And we're also starting the race pointing that direction, meaning that in order for me to get pointed in the direction of the track, I have to do a big loop, whereas Ike can just go in reverse. And we're also going to start the race with the engines off. Well, off. You don't really have an off.
Here we go.
All right,
Off.
oh, engines off, okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. Look at this silence, folks. Ooh, buddy. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, that's funny. Oh, poor guy. It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. Oh, that's funny. Heyo. Wow. So graceful, dude. So graceful and silent.
Wow.
1 minute, 12 seconds.
Well, I don't think I did too bad considering.
I mean, I might have the same problem. I don't know.
Got anything to say?
No, I think I'm ready.
All right.
As I'm gonna be.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are your marks?
Uh-huh.
Get set. Go.
All right. Here we go.
Wow.
Safety.
Cooking. Cooking.
No.
Oh. No. He got me. Oh, but he ain't got his seatbelt. Oh.
I have officially defeated the electric golf cart.
Yeah, big time.
What was the time? Was it really that close?
No.
Okay.
Dude, you were like 43 seconds. Yeah, it's
Well,
ridiculous.
if you hadn't got caught on that hill, it would have been a lot closer. Also, I got this first pull, which was just lucky. So I don't think anyone's surprised, but the Stage 2 420 golf cart just destroyed the electric one. It was kind of worse than I thought. Sorry, buddy.
It's all right.
I probably should have ridden that one because I'm a little lighter than you, and like weight makes a huge difference when you don't have a whole lot of power to play with.
It's okay. I don't think either one of us could have
Made it happen.
beat the
yellow one. The
yellow
420.
one.
The electric one is really nice because it's quiet and it has reverse and it has good like immediate torque.
Yes.
We had the 5th golf cart in town to be street legalized, registered. And I imagine a lot of the other ones are electric, which is a little concerning because that thing is like dangerously slow.
Yeah, it really is.
I mean, like 20 miles an hour is a little on the slow side, but that thing does like 10 to 12.
The big thing I like about, number 11. We got number 5 here and we got number 11 there. The thing I like about number 11 is it's quiet because it's electric. It has reverse and it has a roof. And it's quiet.
And it's quiet. Yeah, I think we just proved today that this yellow golf cart is just like a regular golf cart turned up to like 11 in every category. I mean, it's lifted, it has bigger tires, it has like, what, 3 times the horsepower?
Way more.
If not more than that.
I think the motors have 2 horsepower on them.
Yeah, so this has like 10 times the power.
Yeah.
It's
it really
freaking
does.
party machine, dude.
It
Brewster
is.
Tails, it's fun. Thanks for watching this comparison, guys. Next time you place an order at GoPowersports.com, don't forget to enter their monthly giveaway and let them know that we sent you. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. What else should we do with the 420 golf cart? Let us know in the description. Check us out in between videos on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac, it'll be fine.
Yeah, and thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Oh, of course, merchandise. Support us by picking up a shirt, cars-cameras.com, or a hat. See you next time. One last thing before you just, before you roast it out of here.
Yeah.
We got called into the cops with that thing the other day.
Yeah.
Here's why this is better than that on the road. It's bright yellow.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
more visible. It's
Yeah.
really loud.
Yes.
So like no one can miss you. And it'll do 20 miles an hour, not 12.
20 miles per hour.
Hey, 20 miles an hour.
20 miles
I
per
argue
hour.
that this is much safer than that
Yeah.
for the road.
12 miles per hour.
Yeah. All right, peel out, dude. Woo! Is that really beans?
That was beans. Time to eat.